Six Simple Machines is a company based here in Sydney, Australia. We make dispensing equipment for cafes, restaurants, other high volume food service segments of the market.
Ross and I went to university together. I studied mechatronics engineering, Ross studied industrial design. We met at university, went our separate ways, and at that stage we were both in coffee in some way. I was designing coffee machines for an appliance company, and Ross was working on his own coffee machine project. Both of us stumbled across this issue, high volumes of milk being used in cafes.
Piles, stacks of milk crates with milk bottles in, and there could be, tens of crates stacked high with empty milk bottles. If that's just this cafe every day, multiply that across all the cafes in the region, across Australia, across the world, that's an enormous amount of plastic that's being created every single day. There were bag-in-box dispensers around before the Juggler, but they weren't a really practical solution for a high-quality, high-class cafe, high-volume cafe. And so what the Juggler has done is made bag-in-box technology accessible to cafes. And now we see all the dairy companies in Australia offering bag-in-box packaged milk. The dispensing system is made of a few key components. There's the under-counter refrigerator, which holds 10-litre bag-in-box packaged milk. There's the control unit, which controls all the functions of the machine, and then there are taps that sit in the bench, usually next to a coffee machine. Milk is drawn from the bags under the bench, up through the taps, delivered into a barista's jug, cold, fresh, ready for texturing as part of the traditional espresso production.
Started with milk, obviously, but then milk is not just milk anymore. There's lots of alternate milks. We now work with various alternate milks, oat milk, almond milk.
I think the Juggler has created an opportunity for people to, have a practical solution for reducing waste, for really looking at ways they can streamline their operations at the bench. One of the benefits of using the Juggler is not just around the speed of service up top, that is speeding up the process of making a coffee. It's really ensuring that the product is there ready to be dispensed. Being able to take out an empty bag, load a new bag in without missing a beat, in service was really, really important. Without there being the packaging, our solution doesn't really exist. The QSS fitment is a huge part of that, the fact that it can just be ultimately pushed into the machine, connect automatically, was just invaluable and took our idea from being kind of a good idea to becoming a compelling solution for dairies to consider.